If you're working with bandsaws or planning to get started, knowing the right blade to use is crucial. Today, we'll break down the different types of bandsaw blades, how to choose the right sizes, and dive into the variety of uses for these essential tools. Let's get into it. Let's start by talking about the types of bandsaw blades. One of the first things to consider when selecting a blade is the teeth per inch, or TPI. The TPI affects both the speed and smoothness of your cut. Low TPI blades, typically 2 to 6 teeth per inch, are perfect for cutting through thick, dense materials like hardwoods or metal. These blades have large, aggressive teeth, which make for a faster cut but with a rougher finish. High TPI blades, on the other hand, have 10 or more teeth per inch and are ideal for cutting thinner materials. If you're working with things like plywood or metals and need a smooth, clean cut, this is the blade you want. Next, let's talk about tooth styles. This is where things get interesting because the tooth design affects how the blade performs during use. Standard tooth blades are the most common, with flat-tipped teeth. They're versatile and good for a variety of materials, so they're perfect for general cutting tasks. Skip tooth blades have a gap between the teeth, allowing for faster chip removal. These blades work well with softwoods or fibrous materials where speed is more important than precision. Hook tooth blades have an angled tooth design that makes them more aggressive, great for cutting through thick materials or harder woods and metals. They're a bit rougher in the finish, but they'll get the job done fast. And then there are the materials used to make the blades. Most bandsaw blades are made from either carbon steel, bimetal, or more specialized metals. Carbon steel blades are affordable and good for cutting wood and softer metals. However, they dull faster, so they're not ideal for heavy-duty work. Bimetal blades are made by welding high-speed steel to a flexible carbon steel body. This design gives them more durability, so they're great for cutting tougher materials, especially metal. Cobalt and tungsten carbide blades are used for the toughest jobs, like cutting through hardened steel or concrete. These blades can withstand higher temperatures and remain sharp for much longer. Now that we know about the types and materials, let's talk about sizes. The size of your blade is going to depend on a few factors, mainly the width and length of the blade, and what kind of cuts you're making. Width is important because it determines how tight of a turn your blade can make. Narrower blades are perfect for intricate, curved cuts, like those used in detailed woodworking or when cutting out patterns. Wider blades, on the other hand, are better for straight cuts or heavy-duty work, like cutting through thick lumber or large metal pieces. Thickness is also something to consider. A thicker blade is more rigid and less likely to bend, which is great for heavy-duty cutting. Thinner blades, while more flexible, are better for fine, detailed cuts, where precision is key. Finally, let's touch on the uses of bandsaw blades. These blades are incredibly versatile, used in everything from woodworking to metalworking to food processing. In woodworking, bandsaw blades are used for everything from resawing thick boards into thinner pieces to cutting intricate curves in fine furniture. If you've ever made a custom piece of furniture or cabinetry, chances are you've used a bandsaw for those smooth, precise cuts. In metalworking, particularly when dealing with tough materials like steel or aluminum, bimetal or carbide blades are essential. They offer the toughness and durability needed to cut through metal without dulling too quickly. The food industry also uses bandsaws, especially for cutting meat, bones, or frozen foods. Stainless steel blades are used here, as they're hygienic, durable, and easy to clean. So, whether you're cutting wood, metal, or even food, understanding the different types of bandsaw blades, their sizes, and what they're best for will help you choose the right one for your project.